with you forever. I would just
Absolutely.
like to give you a small gist about what mindful eating is.
Hmm.
In simple terms, it's not just about eating, but you are connecting yourself with your inner self. It is
Hmm.
you're asking your body what you want, how much you want, do you feel like eating, how much you feel like eating. And that's how you serve yourself. And that's how it's a big win win because you're connecting yourself. You're
Hmm.
eating as what your body wants. And of course, it's not a fad diet because you are listening to your body and eating that. It's one of the
Correct.
best things you can do.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Awesome. So Disha, in your experience, what are some common barriers or challenges people might face when they try to develop this healthier relationship with food? And what is your advice for those to overcome these thoughts?
See, the number one challenge that comes is socializing. I say the word socializing because you meet different people. You meet your relatives, you meet your friends, you go out for any dinner with your colleagues. The
Hmm.
most common question, the most common point of discussion is weight loss. I am doing this, I lost that. I do this kind of a diet, I lost weight. I did this and I lost weight. So all I want to say is with so much of information about there, don't
Hmm.
get carried away. Trust what you want for yourself. Take a
Hmm.
piece of paper, write down what you want, and do as. That's about it. The world is there to confuse you. You are smart enough to pick up your right choices. Do something
Absolutely.
which you think is going to be sustained. Just don't pick up anything for the sake of picking up a diet.
Lovely, lovely. So Disha, just a question that pops up to me. I mean, when people are connecting to you, okay, for their nutritious change in the routine, so on and so forth. So, what kind of diets do you advise to people? I mean, is it a homemade food or what is it? Or a sattvic food? What is it?
I believe in a combination of doing something which is sustainable. I keep using this word sustainable because it's a mixture of home cooked food as well as eating a little bit of out. Because we as humans are social human beings. We are meant to socialize. Just the word diet cannot put us in a big bracket like, oh, I have to stop going out with my friend, or I have to not go there just because I'm dieting. No, I don't believe in that. What I believe is it has to be a right combination. Say 80 years to 20. 80% of home cooked meals, simple basic food. I'm not using the word satwe because basic food could also be a pani puri. It could also
Absolutely.
be, it's just the trick of how you eat that, right? And
True.
the 20% the liberty to socialize. That's how your journey is going to be sustainable and it's going to last for a real long time.
Awesome, awesome. And I'm sure that many of them are going to get a lot of value from this conversation because most of the women's or most of the people they hesitate to go to nutritionist because they have that concept in their mind that they have to follow a very strict diet, right? And
Exactly.